There's quite a story to this. The Akamai itself as a company was founded in August of 1998 in the middle of what was then called the dot-com boom. We hardly had any revenue. We weren't making any money, but we wanted to raise money during these heady days of the dot-com euphoria to fund our growth. I was the CEO at the time, and we wanted to find a way to give back from our really good fortune at that time. So we created a foundation. Now all the employees can participate in the foundation, and giving back has become an even greater part of Akamai's culture. And the Akamai employees are brilliant, they're hardworking, they have skills and experiences, but their willingness to share it with others is what really helps the company to thrive, because not everybody knows everything. It takes a team of people of different skills and experiences to get the job done, especially with complex challenges. Have Akamai be recognized by employees and customers and shareholders as a giving company, a socially responsible company. And I think that's important, that employees think about their company as having a pretty powerful purpose in giving back. In addition to having a great deal of pride in the history of the foundation, the more exciting is being able to share our future with our future good fortune, not only with other causes, but with our employees. They can feel even greater pride in their company because it's more than just shareholder returns. It's being socially responsible, and I think it's integral now to our culture. 3 things: do your job, help others, be kind.